Good morning, Bongbongneños. It's a sunny day. April 21, 2024, Sunday. This is Zia Nashka M. Kabantog, bringing you the hottest scoops that shocked the nation today. Headline news today. Nowadays, the temperature is getting hot and hotter. That's why all classes in all levels in school are cancelled. In Paumbong Central School, many students are suffering dizziness and uncomfort. The management decided to give all students modular activities. As of now, 11 a.m., our temperature is 33 degrees Celsius. If there's nothing important activities outside, please stay at home. Again, this is Zia Nashka M. Kabantog reporting.